Remember we were talking about that Model S tri-motor plaid prototype?
Yeah.
Well, it's coming out. We talked about how it's coming out as well, and you can pre-order it. You just have to, best you're going to get it is late 2021. So that is kind of a buzzkill. But anyways, we have a video clip here emerge of that new Model S plaid setting the record at Laguna Seca, which is a famous track, which many different cars have been on, attempt to set records. The new record is now 1 minute 30 seconds. And this thing, 1,100 horsepower. You're talking 0 to 60 in less than 2 seconds. It's basically got Roadster specifications when they originally announced Roadster, except in a sedan. And except in a four-door. Which makes me question, what are those Roadster numbers going to need to be now for it to make any sense? If you could just get the sedan that's crushing, oh, I don't know. This beat the time for the, what did they reference here? The McLaren P1.
Wow.
This beat the time for the McLaren P1 on an actual racetrack.
Yeah.
It's in a similar time category around this racetrack as $1 million supercars like the Porsche 918 Spyder and the McLaren Senna P15. It's a race car. That car is a race car with 4 doors and batteries galore. 3 separate motors in there. The tri-motor plaid edition, quarter mile under 9 seconds, all-wheel drive. And the previous, by the way, oh, you know who they're up against as well on this particular track is Lucid.
Yeah.
That Lucid company with the top of the line Air car that they're putting out very soon, they ran a 133, which was almost 4 seconds faster than Tesla's previous time, where they had completed a lap 136. So now they come in with the 130 and they crush it even more. You know, the Lucid founder being a former Tesla guy, you know Elon is checking this.
Yeah, they're like, hey man, let's bring it down even more.
Not only is Elon checking this, he says they're going to beat this soon as well. Going to make further enhancements, improvements. And also some were wondering, oh, maybe they made modifications to that Model S, that plaid one that did the race. And then the dude in the car said, no, no, no. The only thing they did was change out the driver's seat for a bucket seat for safety. He said that's all they did. They didn't rip out all the electronics or anything like that because people were wondering how they got that crazy time. Did they, you know, because weight is so important in this stuff. So anyways, I guess that's exciting times for the Model S Plaid. It starts at 140 grand. Deliveries late 2021.